So, Theorem 7. In this tutorial, we're going to go through another quick theorem, theorem number 7. Hi guys, Lever here from Bright Young Brains. So, I don't know, why do I start like that? Well, so with this theorem, right, it's quick, it's simple, and it's straight to the point. So what we have here is a tangent to the circle. We can see that this is a tangent because this line AB, is only touching your circle once. Now anytime you have a scenario like this playing out, we have a tangent here, and then this is clearly the radius of a circle. We can see it's the radius of a circle because this is labeled O, and then there's a point there, so that's the center of our circle. So as long as we have a radius that touches a tangent, where they meet, that angle there will always be equal to 90 degrees. So theorem 7 in words, there we go. A tangent to a circle will always meet a radius of a circle at an angle of 90 degrees. So that's what we're having here. So what that means is if you had this theorem in reverse, so in a situation where, for example, OC was not clearly stated, or it is not clear, you see there's no dot there or anything. If you are not sure that OC is the radius of a circle, as long as your sketch is in this manner, and this angle there is 90 degrees, automatically OC has to be the radius of a circle, or OC will have to be the radius of this circle in particular. A tangent, we will always be able to see it because it will always touch a circle once there. So with this theorem, it's quite simple, it's straightforward, it is not complicated at all, and that's again why this tutorial is like super short. So again, I think you know exactly what I'm going to say now. So if you're working on slightly more challenging questions, exam style questions, assignments, or anything like that, and you're super stuck, you can just send a DM on IG, Instagram, at LE_EVY, and then what I do is I quickly take like a quick video of how to work out the sum with explanations and all that, and then I post it on my math page on IG, which is at Zero Aesthetics, just mathematics. So feel free to follow those accounts, and then I will definitely be able to help you out in real time. And one other thing, on Saturdays we have live sessions, like a math live session on IG. So basically what happens is within the hour from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. we just work on whatever it is that you're dealing with, a quick tutorial on a specific portion. So yeah, if you're keen on that, and see you this coming Saturday.